Good afternoon, good morning, good day, traders. This is Reid and Glenn here with Hawaii Trading Academy. We're going over our June 6th week watch list. And without further ado, let's get into it. The first pair I am looking at is Euro Odd Short. Euro Odd had this really nice bear momentum, broke through all my EMAs at the end of the week. So I wasn't able to get into any of these moves yet, but I like the confirmation move, which is essentially the second run. So it's correcting here. We had a very strong bearish volume. I'm liking it. I'm looking to go short this tonight. I'll be placing an entry order before I go to sleep, most likely, and then let it run. If it gets me in, it gets me in. If not, we just wait for a better entry. So we'll go on. That's the main one that I'm watching. Euro yen. I called this one out last week, or I didn't call it out. I like to. What is it? What is the proper term? Probable. The probability of my analysis was that it was going to fall back into this pattern here. So this is a phantom trade. I am not live in this trade. It's just something that I was looking at. And if you guys were watching the weekly watch list, maybe you guys might have gotten into this one. If you did, that's awesome. If not, that's okay, because just like you're all odd, you're not going to get the first move all the time. Period. We wait for the second move or third move, or you want to wait for the market to enter you at the right time. So that was, I'm sorry, I'm jumping all over the place here. Where am I? Euro yen. Euro yen. That's euro yen. I'm still looking for a short here. So now, just like euro odd, euro is dropping. So I'm going to be looking for a new entry here. So to clear things up, I'm going to delete this phantom trade, but this is a very nice trade to have gotten into. And this is what I'll be looking at this week, something along this line. It's a euro short here. Following with pound dollar. Pound dollar, I like this trade. I had it on my watch list last week, but I'm still gonna watch it because it may be breaking back down into this pattern similar to euro yen. However, I just kind of want to go over. This is why I didn't place these trades here. I'll probably go over it in more in depth in the network market review, or in our network. Sorry, in our network. Following that, we'll go to dollar yen, and dollar yen is similar to euro yen, but to me, it's a little bit more. It's less cleaner. It's more clean with the EMAs, but it is still a nice trade. It's a euro trade. I mean, a yen trade. So I will be keeping my eye out on the dollar yen short later on this week, and a euro yen short and euro odd. Pound dollar. I'm just gonna mark this a different color just so. Oh, they got light blue now. Trading View always updating. So the light blue flag here. I'll go over it this week on why I didn't trade. These are the 3 reasons why, and I'll dive more into the topic of trading your plan with complete mechanical analysis and get your emotions out of it. Because although I saw something I wanted to trade, my plan and overall analysis was telling me not to place this trade, and it saved me money here because it would have been an automatic loss. And then to see it go into profit and hit my target, that just messes with your psyche. No matter how good of a trader you are, it still will just mess with you. But that's why following your plan is very important. And more on that later, but I'll hand this over to Glenn and let him go over his watch list.
Amen to that, man. Amen. Follow your plan. Follow your plan. Keep the emotions out.
So much easier said than done. But that's why we got this community. That's why we got each other, accountability partners, and just need people like that.
All right, let me go in my screen share right here.
Share them, bro. Share them.
Sure. Okay, cool. Talking about the euro yen, man,
You got what you got.
I got short there.
Very nice.
The 4th, 133.53. So this is a 4-hour chart. You know, I don't know. I think I don't know if I took this trade long back in April, broke out long. Nice, great move, good run there. But and I drew this major. This light blue line is a major level, probably a weekly or monthly level that I drew. We broke above that and we broke below it, and you could see just the way that price action moved. So what I saw when I first took this trade, um, price over here was sideways, and then we got a lower close at this bar. And for me, that was a signal. Of course, I had to keep my stops tighter than usual because this is an intraday entry. Um, so I got a signal, went short, and then, this nice, look at this long wick, huh? It tested, bounced up, closed a little bit. It was a nice pullback from my entry, but now price is developing lower. So that is a good trade. I wish, was this on Friday? I wish, oh no, that was just today, early pre-market right here, right when the market opened, it pulled back. I wish I was able online to go and put in an extra position, but I will wait. I will wait, not be too aggressive to add a position onto that trade.
Wait, quick question, Glenn. What was that support resistance line that you had? What was the numbers?
The light blue.
Yeah, the light blue one.
So 133.37.
133.
So let me zoom out. So that was a weekly high, previous high. This is a weekly chart.
Oh,
So
weekly. Okay.
yeah, that was a weekly level. Just to keep it simple, guys, bigger time frame rules. So I draw major levels, just to know, be aware that it's there. Okay. And you guys can use that how and interpret it the way you want. So that's what you're seeing there, is that price level, weekly price level. This is purple line is a drawing I use for entries. So yeah, I'm anticipating to hold this short. I will probably move the stop as price goes. Let's go look at the yes. So yeah, I think earlier, I think I had some free time this past weekend. I was throwing some fibs up because overall the market is being weird. But on Friday we had a higher close. Um, Higher close, strong momentum looking like from this bar. This bar is about 78, about 50 points. So that shows good indication. I'm like, okay, look, bulls are starting to move in. Today looks like a small pullback, and which led me to open up a position in the Russel long because I would like the way it's set up as far as pulling back. So I got long 22.77 because we had this higher close here, prices pulled back. So I am long bias at this market right now. So yeah, Euro Yen and that, those are two trades I'm holding right now. The rest I'm just looking. I just noticed too, when you're trading futures, guys, you're gonna notice these gap ups. Like, so on Friday we closed at 680.7. Today we open at 694 in the pre-market. So that's a nice, good indication of strength right there, the way I interpret it. But overall, the corn, we've been watching, it's been in a nice bull trend. Then when it rolled over to a new contract, price, of course, shot down. And everybody sold, had to close all the contracts. Price strength picked up again, bounced, and it's gonna look like it's gonna be in this range from 735 to a low of 617. So be cautious of that trade. Gold, I was watching gold. It was making a nice move. This is a 4-hour chart, by the way. I guess Friday gold, a lot of people, gold had a nice move down from 1910 to 1860. For me, the way I interpret it, it's noise, you know. People are coming up with all these different reasons why it's it dropped. In for me, I'm like, it's noise. Stay in the trend, long bias, stay with it. Now let's look at the Bitcoin. What has it been doing past few days? Bitcoin been sideways, man. New contract rolled over. Um, we had a close at 37,255, open today lower at 36,139. So it for sure, what I'm seeing is the bull strength isn't there right now. Based on the chart, we are consolidating in this range right here. So we'll see what happens, man. I mean, we'll see where the
I agree with
volatility
you.
is, you know.
I agree. I agree.
Yeah,
Cool.
but that's my
So, sorry. So you are in Euro Yen long, right?
short
You said.
short
I mean short Euro Yen.
your yen short and then long micro Russell. So
Euro
the you can just put M2K as a
M2K.
symbol.
Reminds me of Y2K. Remember
Yeah,
Y2K? Year 2000.
yeah, right.
So pair. Euro Yen. Yeah, I'm liking Euro Yen. It looks like it's gonna fall this week. Looks like, but you never know with the market, right? Nothing's for sure. Nothing's for certain.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we'll see
All
where
we
the
could
momentum
trade
goes.
is our probabilities, right? Just trade our
Yeah,
probabilities.
absolutely. You have to remain in your position until the market tells you otherwise. And then you have to be able mentally to pivot, switch biases, switch your positions, and either go on the sidelines or go back opposite of what you were going. So,
So what I'm doing is putting together the watch list through email format, and it will be sent to our guys on the Mighty Network, Hawaii Trading Academy Mighty Network. And immediately after this vlog is finished, we will be sending that out to everyone. So if you missed
oh,
this, it's okay. That's
absolutely,
all it is.
guys. I mean, in order for you to be in that email, subscribe to the
Yeah.
community, and definitely we'll put you in that list so that you guys receive that information, and hopefully take some of that ideas and apply it to you what you trade, and hopefully benefit from it.
And we'll also go into more in depth of why we've taken these trades. We'll also incorporate live updates of our positions and just provide more learning resources at the network.
Yeah, yeah. So stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this weekly watch list. Trade safe. We'll be in touch. Trader Tuesdays. We're gonna be
Oh,
doing
yes.
a what's the topic? Journaling. Part
Journaling.
2 of last week. We've done an awesome video. Reid led the way with back testing, and in conjunction with back testing comes the journaling. So we're going to be diving into that. So log on. We're going to be doing a Zoom live on Tuesday, 7 p.m.
That is June 8th. June 8th, 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time.
Roger.
Looking forward to it.
Whoa.
All right, guys. Trade safe. Have a good one. And stay blessed.
All right.